The CDC launched a new tool to track COVID-19 trends across the country. It's a dashboard you can use to keep up with the findings of scientists who've been tracking COVID through our wastewater. Eugene Daniel found out more about it.
We have never missed a week.
Kyle Curtis is a scientist for the Hampton Roads Sanitation District. Since March 2020, they've tracked COVID-19 in wastewater. They check for signs of the disease left behind when people use the restroom. Curtis says it should not replace COVID testing.
But it works as a really good complement.
Curtis and his team share what they find with VDH, which then shares information with the CDC. And now you can check the data for yourself. A CDC dashboard tracks COVID trends in wastewater from nearly a dozen states, including Virginia. It shows changes over the course of a 15-day period. The CDC says studying wastewater can catch COVID spikes before data comes in from people getting tested.
Because with wastewater surveillance, you get everyone. Anyone who contracts the virus will shed it in wastewater.
Curtis thinks the dashboard, allowing people to see the results for themselves, can lead to more trust in testing.
Some people saying like we should not be as worried about this as we are, and some people saying we should be more worried about it. And you just want to see like what's going on with infections, and then I'll decide how worried I want to be. I think the wastewater data is a good place for that.
Even if you can't get tested, you still have to use the bathroom, and Curtis says that's what makes wastewater testing such a useful tool. In Norfolk, Eugene Daniel, 13 News Now.
VDH says it is sharing its findings with the CDC from 25 sites across the state, including 5 in Hampton Roads. VDH received funding to study wastewater through July.